today is to talk to one another, to network, to understand, from my point of view, what we can do to support industry, particularly from a talent development point of view.
There's been quite a lot of traffic coming through, a lot of inquiries, a lot of people stopping to look. I suppose when you see a truck working away on its own like that, it's a showpiece.
For us as a robotics company and an industrial manufacturing company, it's very important for us to be present here.
It's going pretty well, yeah. We've got a number of potential wins coming away, everything from small companies to large multinationals.
We're getting a lot of footfall. We've a truck outside as well with a lot more automation.
It's been busy, very busy so far, and lots of people that are excited and interested by the technology, which is good because we're obviously excited by it as well.